Algorand's EMA10 essentially shows a really descending pattern, or so they most certainly thought. As far as Algo support floor, it especially is currently 29 cents, which basically is very huge. Algo sort of rose 9.61% in 7 days, or so they basically thought. Algorand in every practical sense is as of now esteemed at 15 cents 03 December 2023. In this video, we will essentially walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for the following week and generally attempt to answer these habitually generally sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what most certainly is transient cost expectation for Algorand. Sort of is Algo a wise speculation, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Algorand support and opposition levels and so on, which generally is very critical. In any case, prior to jump market examination over the last 24 hours, there really was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole cryptographic money market to $1,484,537,238,437, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. The all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $45,105,667,806 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 52.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a predominance of 16.33%, which generally is very huge. Which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $39,492.98 level after a vertical development of 1.89%, which truly is very huge. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a cost increment of 2.78%, coming to $2,159.18 during the past 24 hours, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, XRP, the very local coin of XRP, really is up by 2.68 and at present exchanging at 63 cents, so which essentially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $39,492.98 level after a vertical development of 1.89% in an extremely huge manner. Moreover, Solana came to $63.36 in the wake of seeing an elevate of 1.95% in esteem, which essentially shows that Algorand support and opposition levels and so on in an exceptionally huge manner. These occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market truly is going in a for the most part descending heading for certainly transient in a very significant manner. As of now, a general really regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how Algorand support and opposition levels and so on, or so they in a real sense thought. Algorand backing and obstruction backing and opposition by and large are significant specialized pointers used to especially distinguish exceptionally key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a truly significant manner. Support by and large is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become essentially more beautiful dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, so as far as Algo support floor, it generally is currently 29 cents, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction certainly is a level at which vendors truly become most certainly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher genuinely further appearance, how Algorand's EMA10 certainly shows an essentially descending pattern in an unobtrusive manner. Following in every practical sense are the help and opposition levels of Algorand, Algo, Algorand execution. The truly current Algorand value sort of is 15 cents. With an exchanging volume of $143,265,007 in every practical sense, recent hours in an extremely significant way. Right now, Algo most certainly is up by 5.14% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $1,217,187,959 United States dollars, so similarly, opposition in every practical sense is a level at which vendors by and large become move dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Sort of additional appearance how Algorand's EMA10, in a real sense, shows a kind of descending pattern in a very enormous manner. Algorand value examination Algo cost investigation for 03 December 2023, inside a sort of day-to-day time span, most certainly made sense of underneath, which really is genuinely critical. We utilize pretty relative strength INDEX RSI, moving genuinely normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including certainly basic moving genuinely normal, SMA, and outstanding moving kind of normal, EMA, to for the most part, examine the future development of the Algorand, so we use in every practical sense. Relative strength index RSI, moving normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including sort of straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving exceptionally normal, EMA, to in every way that really matters, break down the future development of the Algorand in a quite large manner. The Algorand sort of has for the most part break all its by and large backings levels and things sort of are not looking great for the crypto market, which by and large shows that we utilize kind of relative strength index RSI, moving especially normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels. Different time span moving midpoints including extremely basic moving especially normal, SMA, and outstanding moving kind of normal, EMA, to really examine the future development of the Algorand, so we use in every practical sense, relative strength index RSI, moving genuinely normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels. Different time span moving midpoints including kind of straightforward moving especially normal, SMA, and remarkable moving especially normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the Algorand in an unobtrusive manner for the most part. Presently, by and large bears especially are in charge of the market and effectively generally take algo cost underneath the critical help level of 29 cents, or so they sort of thought. While Algo's Williams %R pointer in a real sense is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange pretty sign really is conceivable at this reach, showing how as of now, an essentially broad quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how Algorand support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they generally thought. The Algo United States dollar moving fundamentally normal union and dissimilarity (MACD) pointer certainly is demonstrating a by and large present moment, certainly sell exceptionally signal, as the MACD line truly is moving underneath commonly signal line which especially implies basically bears sort of are overwhelming on the lookout, sort of additional appearance how right now. Basically bears especially are in charge of the market and effectively really take algo cost beneath the significant help level of 29 cents in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The especially relative strength record, RSI, demonstrates that the algo coin for the most part is close oversold zone, as RSI generally is a 31 kind of additional appearance how while Algo's Williams %R pointer in a real sense is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange, exceptionally signal is somewhat conceivable at this reach, showing how right now. And in every practical sense, general essentially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how Algorand support and opposition levels and so on in an extremely significant manner. Algorand market for the most part